This is the interest to my deck here. I can actually go inside to these glasses doors, okay, as you can see, or window doors. But I want to talk about the threshold I use here between tiles and laminate. And you can see here, it's nothing but a shoe mold that I put here. Okay, this is a porcelain tile. Okay, and here is the threshold I put. And you can see how nice it is and how nice it looks like. Okay, so this is not a tissue, it's a kind of a shoe mold that you put between tiles. It's called a reducer actually, that you put between tiles and laminate or wood. So you can see it from here, how nice it looks. So, and I want to show another transition between tiles and laminate. Here, the tiles are almost the same height, probably 1/4 of an inch or 3/8 of an inch above. So what I did here, I really use a paint. You can see it, it's kind of a paint here between the tiles and the laminate. So if you look at it from this height, you can see it's almost doesn't show up, and you can see that the laminate is really continue with the tile. So look at that from here, how it looks. Really is a different angle to look at this way of transition. And as you can see, there are two colors here. One of them is brown color, match the laminate, and the other is actually white color. If you look at it from here, you can see what's going on. And that would give this feeling that what you have here is really a transparent transition between a laminate here and the tiles here, as you can see also from here. So here I didn't use a reducer because it was not really necessary, and from cosmetic point of view it's even nicer not to use here a threshold or a transformation because of the height of the tiles here and the laminate. Okay.